The Department of Linguistics and Translation takes a systematic approach to the study of language from a number of different perspectives with a broad range of methodologies. Research and expertise cover in the first place empirical and experimental linguistics, including computational linguistics, corpus linguistics, neurolinguistics, and psycholinguistics.
Well, so language is a fundamental part of our everyday lives. And if you study linguistics, you know that it's actually a very complicated system, yet we don't really have to think about it very much when we're using it. So when we're investigating this relationship between the brain and people's language abilities, this is something that we call neurolinguistics. In the language and cognition lab, we have some equipment that can help us do that. So we have an electroencephalography machine, an EEG, which allows us to measure people's brain activity while they're doing different kinds of linguistic tasks like reading or listening to stories. And it allows us, faculty, and some of our students to be able to go in and do experiments that allow them to try to figure out the relationship between what the brain is doing and what people are doing when they're using language. So some of the research that we're currently doing in the lab is some of our students are working on what we call picture naming. So this is where you present pictures on the screen and people have to name them as fast as they can in different languages, because we're interested in how people switch between English and Cantonese, for instance, here in Hong Kong.
Our department encourages inclusiveness, practice-based learning, research, offering us opportunities to apply what we have learned to real practice. I've worked as an interpreter at international conferences, collaborated with the university art gallery and museums to provide AD services for people with visual impairment. Under the leadership of my supervisor, Professor Jackie Yan, I had hands-on experience in organizing large-scale professional interpreting and AD activities, training interpreters and audio describers, and interact with various organizations and individuals, including people with visual impairment.
Perseverance is important. That is, you have to persist, because we are working on uncharted territories. So that's why it's very normal to face challenges. That's why perseverance is important, and it's also to always maintain a sense of curiosity, because that's what will keep you going in spite of the challenges.